Hello friends, welcome back. In this lesson we will see how to install and dev C++ compiler on Windows machine. Just go to Google, type in dev C++ compiler or just dev C++. You can find here Bloodshed software. You have to click on go to download page and here you have to click on search for and you can see the download is begin here. I'm cancel this download because I have already downloaded this compiler on my machine, so I'm going to show you how to install it. Double click, run. Okay, I agree. Next, install. Do you want to install dev C++ for all users? Yes. Run dev C++. Finish. Okay. Next. No, I prefer use dev C++ without it. Okay. And here you can see our dev C++ compiler is installed and ready to use.